Today, I'd like to talk about one of the forgotten, but one of the most important things that you can do regarding your health and regarding your life. Something that I think is one of the keys to success. I can definitely say it's one of the things that's made me who I am today. And if you look at the most successful people in the world, they will tell you the same thing. And the trick is mornings. Mornings are the most important part of your day. Hopefully you get sleep the night before, but mornings are an incredible opportunity for you. Instead of hitting the snooze button multiple times, count down, get up, utilize the mornings. Kobe Bryant would wake up at 4 a.m. every single morning to train because he could get 2 more training sessions in every single day than all the other basketball players. I wake up between 4 and 6 a.m. every single morning. In the mornings is when you can become the captain of your ship. In the mornings is when you can think about your day. And I'm not talking about grabbing your iPhone in your morning or your computer in the morning. That doesn't work. Mornings are quiet times. Mornings are the times that you exercise. Mornings are the time that you meditate. Mornings are the time that you set your goals, that you review your goals, that you write in your journal, that you listen to personal development, that you make the decisions that you're going to make for the day, the steps. A day is nothing but time, and time is so valuable to us. All the people I talk to, the seniors, I love talking to people in their 60s, 70s, and 80s, and they all say, time goes by so fast. Don't waste it. You can never get time back. When you spend 3 hours watching shows on TV every single day, or you spend hours on social media, or kids playing hours on video games, you can never get that time back. And when you get to be 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and you think back and say, what could I have done different? Or why am I not successful? I'm telling you right now, I work with entrepreneurs, billionaires, multimillionaires. I don't care who it is or how much money they have, but I always ask people, what is the secret to success? How do you live your life so happy? How do you live your life so fulfilled? And you have to have an attitude of gratitude. Start your day just thanking God that you're alive, that you have food to eat. Better yet, you have organic food to eat. That you're going to utilize the gifts that you have today to become a better person. Just strive to do everything better day by day and utilize the mornings to do that. Do things that are difficult. Do things that are challenging. Like I said in my other inspirational video, put a pep in your step. Move a little bit faster. Have discipline. Use the 5-second countdown. When you're thinking or you're making a decision, just count to 5. Like, let's say you have the opportunity at a restaurant to order that hamburger or that salad, and your mind is telling you, ooh, I want to eat that hamburger. I want to eat that hamburger. Just stop and count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to make the right decision. I'm going to make the healthy decision. Because what I do today determines how I'm going to be tomorrow. Do I want to feel healthier tomorrow, or do I want to feel sicker tomorrow? Do I want to feel 1 pound lighter tomorrow, or let's say a half a pound lighter tomorrow? Or do I want to feel a half a pound heavier tomorrow? Do I want to wake up out of bed in the morning with a bright, energetic attitude? Or do I want to hit the snooze button again? People are in routines, and life and success is all about breaking those routines. Listen to your gut. Listen to your instinct. Try to be the best version of yourself that you can be every single day. Listen more. Love your mornings. How many times do you have the opportunity to watch a sunrise? When you think back in your life, that's when everything comes alive for the day. That's when you come alive for the day. Challenge yourself. Go to bed early. Make it a discipline. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Do better every single day. Go to bed by 9:30, and wake up at 6, 5, 4, 6:30 and start your day fresh. If you change your mornings, you change your life. And that's what we're here to help you with all the challenges that people face. Yes, depression, anxiety, disease is all caused from a toxic environment. But all those things contribute to a toxic environment. You not getting enough sleep, you not waking up on time, you choosing to eat the wrong foods, you choosing to put the wrong beverages in your system, you choosing to put yourself in an environment with toxic compounds. We live in a society today that is changing. But when we all change, when we make those individual decisions and people see us and the family, your husband, your wife, your kids see you getting up in the morning, getting together, talking about your day. I mean, who's not happy when they first wake up in the morning? I mean, mornings are happiness. They're designed to be that way. That's why the birds sing. The sun reflects. It's golden in the mornings. Mornings will change your life. So today's message is win. Win in the mornings, and you will win and succeed in life. That's it for today. Live healthy.